Problem number 6, we can see here the vertices of a parallelogram are taken in orders. We need to find the value of x and y. So let's have a look at a parallelogram figure. So we can consider here a parallelogram and we can label here a letter A, B, C and D. So now here we know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So the diagonal AC and diagonal BD intersect at this point. So this will be our midpoint P. So we can see here P is a midpoint of diagonal AC. P is also the diagonal, that is a midpoint of diagonal BD. So to get a value of x and y, you'll have to take the help of the midpoint theorems. So taking the one of its property here, we know that here the diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other. So the coordinates of the midpoint of AC equals to coordinates of the midpoint of BD. After that here, like I said before here, you'll have to take the help of the midpoints formula. So let's have a look at the formula here. To get the value here, the midpoint of, that is a AC, diagonal AC, which is equals to get the value here, midpoint formula, x2 plus we have here x1 divided by 2, that is to get a value of x, and to get a value of y, y2 plus we have here y1 divided by 2. Similarly, to get a midpoint, take the formula here, the same formula, x2 plus x1 divided by 2. After, to get a value of y, y2 plus we have here y1 divided by 2. Now we can substitute the value here. Now x2 plus x1, from where to take? That is from the point AC, that means diagonal AC. So we can see here diagonal AC. So this will be x1, y1, x2, y2. So x2 value we have there, x plus x1 value we have here 1 divided by 2, and that of y2 plus y1. So y2 we have here 6 plus y1 value we have 2 divided by 2. Likewise here you'll have to check on diagonals BD. So we can see here BD. So x1 y1, x2 y2. So here x2 value, that is you'll have to take from point D, which is we have here 3, plus x1 you'll have to take from point B, that is 4 divided by 2. That of y2 from point D we have here 5 plus y1, which is we have here y divided by 2. After that here we can reduce. Now we have here these two not possible to add, we can drop the same terms here, divided by 2. 6 plus 2 equals to 8 divided by 2, which is also equals to here the sum of these two will give here 7 divided by 2. After not possible to add, we can drop the same value, so divided by 2. Now we can cancel these two parts, so 2 into here 4 times. After that here, what we do here to get the value of x and y, now here you can take the x value from this equation and again x from the another equation. So now x plus 1 divided by 2 is also equals to 7 by 2, and the remaining value is y value, that is this will be our y value. So y value and y value you'll have to take. So these two value are equals. So 4 equals to 5 plus y divided by 2. Now 2 we can cancel here. After that here x plus 1 equals to 7. We need x value equals 7. Take this to the right side, minus 1. Then x equals to 6. Likewise here, take a cross multiplication here. We get here 5 plus y into 1 will be the same here, which implies to, again 4 2's are 8. So therefore the value of y equals to 8. Take this 5 to the right side, negative 5. Then the value of y equals to 3. Hence we can say that the value of x 6 and that of y equals to 3.